morning. I hope you guys are having a great morning so far. Today I'm going to bring you through a cozy and productive morning in the life. And I didn't plan this, but it's also a rainy day outside, so it just adds to the vibes. If I'm talking a little quiet right now, it's because my roommate's still sleeping. So as you guys already saw, I made my bed and got ready for the morning. I changed into my gym clothes. Before we go to the gym though, I'm gonna do a quick load of laundry and then we'll get to the workout. Let's get to it.
Just fine. 이대로 모자라지도 넘치지도 않아. 'Cause I got my collection. 따뜻한 물에 바이든 향기 가득한 로션 촉촉해져. My cocoa bun. Oh, I like it what they say. I like it I go la 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 la. I like it I just want.
Hello again. Time is currently 10:30. I woke up around 9:30, so I'm making pretty good time with getting ready and all of the things I had to do this morning. But it's finally time to head to the gym, so let's go do that. And then when we're done, we're gonna come back, go to the grocery store, and do a healthy food grocery haul. Let's go. That bite was so hot. My eyes are watering. Okay, I just got back from the gym. I did a 30-minute Grow with Anna's workout. That wasn't planned. It was pretty low impact because I'm still not feeling the best, but it mostly hit legs. There was a little bit of like upper body core in there with some planks, but I felt really good after doing it. I haven't been to the gym in a bit. I've still been working out, but I've mostly been doing either like really chill at home workouts or just taking some rest days. I was just listening to my body and making sure I was still moving, but not pushing myself to do something that just didn't feel right. Whoa. Okay. And then I did, I think 10 minutes of incline on the treadmill. It was mostly 12 incline, 3 speed, but I also alternated a little bit between that and then 10 incline with a 3.5 mile per hour speed. Just alternated between the higher incline, slower pace and the lower incline, a little bit faster pace. And I really liked that. And I did a super quick cool down after. I don't think I got that on camera. So I'm feeling good. I got a quick bite to eat. I had these oats in my cupboard that were there for a while. That's almost literally all that's left in my cupboard. But I ate something really fast because I needed to take some medicine. And also I'm running a little bit short on time. I have to go to the grocery store and get some food. And once I bring that back, I'm gonna shower and get ready. Right now I'm still gross, but like I said, I'm running a little short on time. So I thought it would be best just to go to the grocery store without wet hair, especially because it's kind of chilly today. It's currently 12:30. I have somewhere to be by 3, so I kind of have to leave at 2:30. So I'm gonna take you along with me, and first let's go to the store and get that done. Boom. Okay, here's the list. It looks really long, but that's because I separated every single vegetable and fruit, because then when I'm actually shopping, I can make sure I get all the things I wanted to get. So we're gonna head inside. I'm just gonna follow this and hopefully we can get everything and get it as quickly as possible. Okay, the grocery trip was a success. I got everything I needed, and I also got a couple things I didn't need. I got some flowers, and they had these little pumpkin plushie things, and they were only like $3, which whatever. And so I thought for the Thanksgiving fall spirit, I would get one. And I also wanted Honeycrisp apples, but usually they're like the most expensive one. And today they were on sale for 99 cents, so that was a win. That was a score. So I got everything I needed. I'm feeling good. It's currently 1:45, so I do kind of have to hurry back to the apartment, get as much up there as I can, and then try to unpack and put things away. I did realize when I got back to the car that I forgot to bring my reusable grocery bags, which I use those to get the food up to my apartment because it's really hard to carry a bunch of individual bags. So I might have to get as much as I can in one trip and then come back for the rest later, but that's okay. I'll bring it up, we can unpack, and then get ready and go on with the rest of the day. I got everything up. It just took 2 trips. Here's the rest of it. Now I'm just gonna put everything away. My side of the fridge is a mess.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
잠시만 wait 전화기는 꺼놔 세상의 소음 속에 넌 지쳐가 시끄러운 도시를 떠나 나만의 더비처럼 어느 밤 다 잊고 내게로 와 모든 알림 꺼둬 잡생각은 no thanks.
Okay, everything is all put away. I just have to go get ready now, but I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for joining a morning / early afternoon with me. I hope that being productive and having you guys join me on one of my mornings is motivating and was just an enjoyable time for you. I had a lot of fun doing this. It's the first time I've ever done this, so hopefully they'll just get better as time goes on. But I have to run. I have to be at something at 3 o'clock, and right now it's 2:30, so I need to get myself together, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Got the world on your shoulder. True call, but I'm never gonna fold you. True call, but I'm never gonna fold you. Grown now, but I'm still getting older. Still getting closer, still getting closure.